but I know they'll never own me.
So right now I'm at the same beach as the day before yesterday, and it's very windy here and not very warm either. And I forgot my sunglasses to the hotel, so I hate that. It's just a good time to be here and read a book and, you know, like, look deep to myself.
Don't let me drown. Don't let me drown.
There's redemption in you, asking them just why it is some answers are better left unspoken when you know you ain't getting any. Are you? Are you? You ain't getting any. Are you? Are you? You ain't getting any. Are you?
Now leaving to the center to do shopping. Woohoo! So I just came back from shopping. I bought some things from American Eagle and then some things from Victoria's Secret. And oh my gosh, I was there only for about 4 hours and my legs are just dead. They are so tired and they hurt so much. Next I'm going to the dinner and then gonna post a video. I was on the beach for the daytime and now went to shopping, and it has been a great day, so hope you liked it.